Okay, eat na gum-gum.
Hala, someone's here with me. Look above.
Wow. So, what do you want on your birthday, Miggy boy?
I will have speeches. My birthday is speeches birthday. And my present is dark blue speeches.
Oh, your present is dark blue speed chase.
So I like to buy speeches. I like to buy Mighty Rocky. Look, Daddy buy Mighty Marshall. Mommy buy Mighty Zuma. So I want to buy speeches and Mighty Rock. I want to buy speeches. I want to buy Mighty Rocky.
Can you show them, Mighty Speed Chase and, Mighty Zuma and Mighty Marshall?
No.
Show it to the camera. Show it to the camera.
Shirts.
That one. Show it to the camera. Gum-gum.
No, it's Marshall.
Oh, show it to
Zuma.
them.
What I will show?
Show it here.
What I will.
Oh, this
what's
is.
the name?
Who is that? Mighty.
Mighty Zuma.
Where is Mighty Zuma? This.
This is Mighty Zuma and this is Mighty Marshall.
Then on your birthday, you want Mighty.
I want my speeches and Mighty Rocky.
Where do you want to spend your birthday?
In the beach.
Wow. Sa Masaw?
No. In the beach, the one. In the one.
Masaw is a beach also.
Also, the beach is in the city. In the Button City.
Almond?
Yeah.
That's only a swimming pool. You want that almond?
And the going animal.
Magkuan ra ta sa almond
Swimming.
Mag-overnight ta sa almond
Why?
so that you can babat in the pool. Yeah.
Swim on the pool. And babat in the pool. We jump in the pool. But we will drown.
Dili man kay Lolo will be there.
But I will go in the
Mommy and Daddy will be there.
But I will go in the big pool at the go. You will go in the big pool at the go. I'm already big or small.
You're big na. How old will you be when on your birthday? You will be
I will be.
louder.
I will be 4 years old.
Very good. Be. Kaayo na siya eh.
Want banana.
You want banana for a birthday gift?
No, I will have speeches and walkie. No. Look, that one ba? Another home.
You ask Tito if it's not yet spoiled. Gummy bear. Gummy is eating. Gum, oh. Gum, gum. Hello, gum. Take off your hand. Wala na. Bye.